Cardiologist warning: morning habits that are secretly damaging your heart. What if your morning routine, the one you follow every single day, is silently increasing your risk of a heart attack? Doctors say that most heart attacks happen in the early morning hours, when your body is under the most stress. And the shocking truth is, some of your normal habits could be putting your heart in danger. Today, we reveal the top morning mistakes cardiologists warn about, and how to fix them before it's too late. Why morning is dangerous for the heart. When you wake up, your body goes through sudden changes. Your blood pressure rises. Your heart rate increases. Stress hormones like cortisol spike. This natural process is known as the morning surge. For a healthy person, it's manageable. But for someone with hidden heart issues, this can trigger serious events like a heart attack or stroke. That's why your morning habits matter more than you think. Habit number 1: jumping out of bed. The alarm rings, and you jump out of bed instantly. It may feel normal, but this sudden movement shocks your body. Your blood pressure changes rapidly, and your heart is forced to work harder within seconds. This can lead to dizziness, irregular heartbeat, and in some cases, serious cardiac stress. Healthy habit: wake up slowly. Sit on your bed for about 30 to 60 seconds. Take a deep breath. Then stand up gently. Habit number 2: not drinking water. After several hours of sleep, your body becomes dehydrated. If you skip drinking water in the morning, your blood becomes slightly thicker. This increases the risk of blood clots, raises blood pressure, and puts extra strain on your heart. Healthy habit: drink 1 to 2 glasses of water within the first few minutes of waking up. Habit number 3: checking your phone immediately. Before even getting out of bed, you check your phone. Notifications, emails, news. All of it floods your brain with stress instantly. This activates your body's stress response, raising your heart rate and blood pressure. Healthy habit: avoid screens for at least 20 to 30 minutes after waking up. Give your mind time to start calmly. Habit number 4: skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast might save time, but it can harm your heart. It leads to unstable blood sugar levels, increases bad cholesterol, and raises the long-term risk of heart disease. Healthy habit: eat a light, balanced breakfast such as fruits, oats, eggs, or nuts. Habit number 5: coffee on an empty stomach. Many people start their day with coffee, but drinking coffee on an empty stomach can spike cortisol levels, increase blood pressure, and make your heart beat faster than normal. Healthy habit: have a small meal first, then enjoy your coffee. Habit number 6: smoking in the morning. Smoking early in the morning is extremely harmful. It narrows your blood vessels, reduces oxygen supply, and increases your heart rate. Combined with the natural stress of waking up, this can significantly increase heart risk. Healthy habit: if you smoke, reducing or quitting is one of the best things you can do for your heart. Habit number 7: no physical activity. Starting your day without any movement slows your circulation. Your heart needs activity to function efficiently. A completely inactive morning can leave your body sluggish, and your heart underperforming. Healthy habit: spend at least 5 to 10 minutes doing light exercise, walking, stretching, or simple movements. Habit number 8: ignoring warning signs. Many people ignore early warning signs of heart problems. Symptoms like chest discomfort, shortness of breath, or unusual fatigue. These are not normal and should never be ignored. Healthy habit: if you notice any of these signs, consult a doctor immediately. Early action can save your life. Your morning routine has more power than you think. Small changes, simple habits, can make a huge difference in your heart health. Start your day the right way, and protect your heart for years to come. Because every heartbeat matters. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. And tell us in the comments, which morning habit will you change starting tomorrow?